Can't help noticing you haven't insisted on coming along, Colonel.
I didn't surrender this town in the last war, and I'll be damned if I'm going to abandon it to a bunch of glowy grubs now. Right, Bernie?
Yeah, we're too old to run. We'll just sit on the front porch and blow the shit out of anything that moves.
All right. Baird, Cole, you go find reinforcements. Sub or no sub, we'll be screwed if we don't get some backup. We need transport, weapons, and anyone who can fight. Okay, let's roll. Emulsion field ahead! Take it steady, people.
Marcus, there's no other route to Mercy. We're gonna have to drive through that shit.
Heads up! We got buzzards coming in!
No choice now, Marcus. We gotta get out of here.
Okay, hit the metal! Go, go, go!
Wreck up ahead! Look out!
We got a reaper anyway! Come on, take it out!
Look out! We still got Reavers on our ass, people!
Reaper on the road! Shoot it!
Heads up! Reaver on the road!
The highway's on the other side of those emulsion pipelines!
They're rusted to hell and full of vapor. Let's try blowing some holes in them. Brace for this, people. It's gonna be close.
Well, that worked.
We're gonna crash if we don't make a gap soon!
That's our way out. Concentrate your...
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about!
Okay, let's see what else they've lined up for us.
Hey! Roadblock! Ahead!
Dizzy, get in front and plow them out of the way.
Coming through! There goes my good driver discount! Ah, damn! It's a crawlies!
They're just small ones, we can go right over.
Yeah, but where's their mother? Bloody hell! Look out, we've got company!
You're navigating, Dom. Where are we?
There's an airfield up ahead. Once we get there, it's a clear road to Mercy. Airport's right ahead. See it?
Yep, and I'll open the door first!
How you holding up, Dizzy?
This rib's empty!
Troika! Careful!
Front up ahead!
Shit, Marcus, I can't see past this little ornament. Hold on!
get us out of here!
I'm trying! It won't move! Give me a sec!
Look out! We've got company!
Okay, people, hold them up till we can get out of here! How's it coming, Chase?
Almost got it!
Well, you better get it quick, because we're out of time!
We're moving!
Go, go, go! Chase, look out for the rockets!
I'm on it! How are we going to get past that? We can't bust through the barrier with the Brumak there!
But we could go over it!
Oh yeah, I'm up for that one! Let's do it!
Hey, dragging razor wire!
Let's take that off! Ooh, now that's gotta hurt!
Damn it! This ring's got more holes in it than my shorts. We should be in Mercy in a few hours.
Well, watch your six, people. We left a lot of pissed off grubs back there. Dizzy, I thought you said this town was occupied.
Yeah. It was busier than a fiddler's elbow a few months ago.
People don't abandon a fuel depot for no reason.
Okay. Keep an eye out for grubs. We might need to get out fast.
Oh, shit! Looks like they shut down the main pump.
The controls have to be somewhere along this pipeline.
All right, let's follow it. Jace, Dizzy, you stay here while we check out the town.